Welcome to Congaree National Park.
Hey everyone, we just arrived at Congaree National Park, our 38th national park. We are headed out on the #1 trail at the park, which is the Boardwalk Loop Trail. It's 2.3 miles and it is ranked as easy. Here we go. This trail starts right at the visitor center, so it's pretty easy to find. And what's cool about the trail is you are on a boardwalk, which is 6 feet above the forest floor.
So a little update on Michelle's cancer journey. We thought the 4th round was going to be the last one. Unfortunately, we got 2 more rounds to go. The good news is her numbers keep on dropping, which is great. So staying hopeful, keep whatever prayers you've been giving us coming, because we definitely need them. But slow and steady progress to her going into remission.
Warrior strong! When we were doing our research for this park, a lot of the reviews and videos we saw said that Congaree is the worst national park in the United States. So we are keeping our expectations low, but so far this trail is pretty cool.
You ever watch those movies where you're in a really dreary swamp? Everything gets really depressed in the movie? I found the location for every one of those movies.
One of the perks of this national park is that it is dog friendly. So we were super excited that we were able to take Tucker and Chase on this national park adventure with us. We just crossed over Weston Lake. We just made it to an outlook that gives you a pretty epic view of Weston Lake.
We're just finishing up the Boardwalk Loop Trail onto the other trails that we had planned for today. Hopefully they're not too wet, but this one was pretty cool.
So one of the reasons we did not come here in the spring or the summer is because the mosquitoes are ridiculous. We are here in December, so thank goodness the mosquito meter is low. All right, we are headed out on trail #2, the Weston Lake Loop Trail. We are playing this by ear because we heard that parts of the trail can get flooded, so we're not sure if we'll be able to do the entire trail, but we're gonna try. It's 4.7 miles according to all trails, but 4.5 at the visitor center, so we're not sure, but it's ranked as easy, so it shouldn't be too crazy. trail is pretty muddy because it has rained the last few days here in South Carolina. So I am really thankful that we have a towel and dog wipes back in the car to clean them up when we get back. So unfortunately we have reached a part of the trail that is flooded. We do not have waterproof boots and we have both dogs with us, so we have made the decision to unfortunately turn around, but we were able to do a big portion of this trail, so that was pretty cool.
This should be interesting. A little water crossing with a skittish husky.
We're gonna go this way. No, this way. There you go. There you go. Okay. Yes! We did it! So it seems like a lot of the trails here are flooded because it has been raining a ton here, but we are going to attempt to do the Firefly Trail. That was the trail that was recommended to us by the park ranger, so we'll see how it goes. We're kind of doing a little bit of the Firefly Trail and a little bit of the Bluff Trail. We just wrapped up the Firefly and Bluff trails. It wasn't overly exciting, no like crazy overlooks or anything like that, but I think the dogs really enjoyed it and we saw some really cool trees.
Most of the other trails in the park were flooded, so we actually hiked the Boardwalk Loop Trail again so we could log some more miles and enjoy a little more time in the park. We hiked over 10 miles during our time here, but Tucker and Chase would have easily hiked 10 more if we let them.
The degree of difficulty is amazing. Present to the judges. So number 38 is in the books. Number 1 for Tucker and Chase, actually. Although we didn't get to do a lot of traveling this year, it was nice to do a nice little road trip down here and knock this one out. So thank you for the view. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next adventure.